Cleaning the Co-op. Unraveling Idiomatic Expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, cleaning the co-op. We'll delve into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Understanding such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you a peek into the cultural nuances of the English language. So, let's get started. Cleaning the coop literally refers to the act of cleaning a chicken coop, which is a house where chickens are kept. In this phrase, co-op is a key word, and it means a small enclosure or cage for poultry. Cleaning it would involve removing waste, leftover feed, and ensuring it's a hygienic space for the chickens. However, in English, this phrase is often used metaphorically. It implies clearing out or organizing a messy or cluttered space. It's not just limited to physical spaces. It can also mean organizing or rectifying chaotic situations in life or work. Now, let's see how to use cleaning the coop in different contexts. 1. At home or work. After the busy season ended, we spent a week cleaning the co-op at the office. Here, it means organizing and tidying up the workspace after a hectic period. 2. Personal life. I'm taking this weekend to clean the co-op, sorting out my bills, emails, and cleaning my apartment. This shows the phrase being used to describe setting personal affairs in order. 3. In a broader sense, the new manager is really cleaning the coop, changing old policies and introducing efficient systems. Here, it signifies making substantial changes or improvements in an organization or system. Understanding the origin of idioms can be fascinating. The phrase, cleaning the coop, likely originates from the literal task of cleaning chicken coops, a common chore in farming. Over time, it evolved to represent organizing or tidying up in a broader sense. Variations of this phrase include cleaning house or spring cleaning. While they all share a similar connotation of cleaning or organizing, each phrase might be used in slightly different contexts or regions. And that's a wrap on cleaning the co-op. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, exploring idioms like these not only builds your language skills but also connects you with the cultural aspects of English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.